When you're out on a camping trip, it's all about getting close to nature, but that don't mean you gotta settle for plain old grub when it's time to eat. With the right camp cooking gear, you can rustle up some mighty fine meals out in the wild without giving up on ease or flavor. That'll make throwing together a tasty meal a whole lot simpler when you're living under the open sky. Fair warning though, once you get a taste of how handy these camp kitchen tools are, you might just leave that dehydrated camp food back on the store shelf for good. Rediscover the joy of cooking outdoors with the Anja Stove, a compact and versatile 2-burner stove that's perfect for camping trips and outdoor adventures. Designed to evoke memories of childhood campground meals, this unique stove features an expandable base that creates a stable cooking surface, while each burner can be adjusted individually to accommodate different cooking needs. Boasting the ability to boil a liter of water in less than 4 minutes, the Anja Stove ensures quick and efficient meal preparation wherever your adventures take you. Plus, its innovative design includes an oak lid that doubles as a cutting board or serving platter, adding an extra layer of convenience and functionality to your outdoor cooking experience. Whether you're whipping up breakfast at the campsite or preparing dinner under the stars, the Anja Stove is the perfect companion for all your outdoor culinary endeavors. Prepare to be amazed by the GoSunflow, an innovative water purifying system that combines efficiency with eco-friendliness. With its USB-powered pump capable of pumping water at an impressive 15 psi, the GoSunflow ensures quick and reliable access to clean water wherever you go. Whether you're using the solar case or the included power bank, you can rest assured that you'll have a convenient power source on hand. Plus, with its ability to purify 1 liter of water per minute, you'll never have to wait long to quench your thirst. But the benefits don't stop there. The GoSunflow offers multiple options for accessing clean water. Whether you prefer drinking directly from the included water bag or attaching a bottle to the filter, the choice is yours. And with the included 18-watt-hour power bank, capable of pumping over 100 gallons of water on a single charge, you can enjoy peace of mind knowing that you'll always have clean water when you need it most. Elevate your outdoor cooking game with the Omnia stovetop oven, the perfect addition to your camping gear. This portable oven requires no installation and is incredibly easy to use. Simply place the stainless steel base over a heat source, such as a camping stove, and add the circular aluminum food container on top. The specially designed lid with a ventilation hole ensures even heat distribution, allowing you to cook a wide variety of dishes with ease. From cakes and muffins to casseroles and bread, the Omnia stovetop oven lets you get creative with your campsite cuisine. And thanks to its compatibility with various heat sources, including gas and portable camping stoves, you can enjoy the convenience of an oven no matter where your adventures take you. Now, we have something for the coffee lovers, the MiniPresso NS2. This portable espresso maker is the perfect solution for satisfying your caffeine cravings during outdoor adventures. Using NS capsules, the MiniPresso NS2 delivers amazing espresso quality with every brew. The use of capsules offers several advantages, including pre-ground, measured, and tamped coffee for consistent taste every time. Simply insert the capsule, add hot water, and pump the piston to extract the perfect espresso shot. With its rich, full-bodied flavor, the MiniPresso NS2 is sure to give you the energy you need to tackle the day's adventures. Whether you're camping in the wilderness or enjoying a weekend getaway, the MiniPresso NS2 is the ultimate portable espresso maker for coffee enthusiasts on the go. Get ready to take your camp cooking to the next level with the MyHowHow 16PC Camping Cookware Set. This comprehensive set includes everything you need to whip up a feast in the great outdoors, from a non-stick pot and frying pan to a kettle, bowls, utensils, and more. The stackable design makes it easy to transport and store, while the non-stick and non-toxic anodized coating ensures durability and effortless cleanup, so you can spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your adventure. Whether you're grilling up steaks, sautéing veggies, or simmering a hearty stew, the MyHowHow Camping Cookware Set has you covered. Say goodbye to individual pots and pans and hello to convenience and versatility with this must-have camping essential. Campfire cooking just got a whole lot better with the Lodge Cast Iron Camp Dutch Oven. This 6-quart beauty comes pre-seasoned, so it's got that natural, easy-release finish that only gets better the more you use it. The flange lid's perfect for holding hot coals, giving you even heat for bacon or griddling, while the legs keep the oven just right above the fire. With its top-notch heat retention and even distribution, You can roast, bake, fry, or simmer up a feast that'll have everyone gathering around the fire. Those dual handles make it easy to move your tasty creations from the fire straight to the table. And the cherry on top? It comes with a Camp Dutch oven cooking 101 cookbook filled with recipes and tips that'll have you cooking like a campfire pro in no time. When hunger strikes at the campsite, the Coleman Road Trip Grill is your savior. This portable propane grill is a cinch to set up and pack away, with its tough, quick-fold legs and handy wheels. But what really makes this a game changer? That Insta-Start push-button ignition system fires up the 3 burners quicker than you can say dinner's ready. With 20,000 BTUs of grillin' power and 285 square inches of cooking space, you'll have all the control you need to cook up some mouth-watering meals for the whole crew. And when the grillin' is done, the removable water pan catches all that grease, making cleanup a breeze. Locking lid? Yep. Sturdy side tables? You got it. This grill's got everything you need for your next outdoor adventure. Leave that heavy kitchen gear at home and step up your camp cooking with the Stanley Adventure Cook Set. This clever 21-piece set is like toting a whole kitchen in your backpack. The stainless steel pot and 3-ply fry pan spread the heat nice and even, so your meals come out just right every time. But that's just the beginning. You also get a cutting board for chopping, a spatula, and serving spoon with extendable handles for easy stirring, and even plates, bowls, and sporks for dishing out your campfire creations. The whole set nests together, keeping things tidy, and the fry pan's lock and handle makes sure you won't have any spills. And the cherry on top? It's all dishwasher safe, so cleanup's a breeze when you get back from your adventure. Take your camp cooking skills to the pro level with the GSI Outdoors Santoku Knife Set. This comprehensive prep kit is a must-have for any outdoor culinary enthusiast. It comes packed with a Santoku chef's knife for chopping, dicing, and mincing, a serrated bread knife for slicing through loaves with ease, and a paring knife for peeling and trimming fruits and veggies. But that's not all. You also get a folding cutting board, soap bottle, and microfiber dishcloth, all neatly organized in a durable ballistic nylon case. The sure grip rubber handles and protective sheaths ensure safe and precise cutting, while the compact design makes it perfect for backcountry trips, RVs, or even your backyard cookout. Whether you're a seasoned camp chef or a culinary novice, this set has everything you need for efficient and enjoyable meal prep in the great outdoors. For landing or simply on the go. Its volume maximizing design means you can fit 2 of these in the space of a standard 20L jerry can, making the most of your limited cargo space. With multiple openings for easy filling, dispensing, and cleaning, plus a spigot and quick connect fitting for accessory attachment, this water jug has you covered. Its comfortable, removable webbed carry handles and built-in tie-down guides make transport a breeze. And since it's constructed from BPA-free, food-grade LDPE, you can trust it's safe for storing your drinking water. No matter if you're cheering on the soccer game or finishing a long bike ride, with Dtic Go Hydration Water Jug, you will never be without clean water again. When it's time for some marshmallow roasting fun, reach for the Jolly Marshmallow roasting sticks. This set includes 5 stainless steel sticks with wooden handles that you can adjust from 10 to 34 inches. But wait, there's more. These sticks aren't just for marshmallows, you can also use them to roast hot dogs, adding a tasty twist to your camping meals. Perfect for cozy family gatherings around the campfire. These sticks are sure to make your camping nights more enjoyable and memorable. Calling all backcountry chefs and camping gourmets. Elevate your outdoor cooking experience with the Sea to Summit Camp Kitchen Folding Spatula. This kitchen tool is designed to pack down small enough to fit inside a solo 2L cookpot, yet it unfolds into a full-size spatula perfect for sautéing, flipping pancakes, and more. Crafted from glass-reinforced nylon, it offers the perfect blend of flexibility and strength, ensuring your camp cooking creations turn out perfectly every time. But the true game changer is the stable handle locking mechanism, which keeps the spatula steady and secure while you're cooking up a storm over the campfire or camp stove. And when the feast is over, simply toss it in the dishwasher for hassle-free cleaning. No more compromising on kitchen gadgets during your outdoor adventures. This folding spatula is a must-have for any camp chef who refuses to sacrifice culinary excellence in the great outdoors. Up next, we have the Barbamani, the ultimate camping grill designed to simplify your outdoor cooking experience. Unlike cumbersome traditional grills, Barbameni is designed with simplicity and convenience in mind. No more wrestling with complicated assembly instructions or struggling to cram bulky equipment into your camping gear. With just a flick of your wrist, you can unfold the sturdy grill and start cooking in mere seconds. Its spacious grill net can easily accommodate a group of 4, and the 2 wings make it effortless to access your food or add seasoning while cooking. What's more, Barbameni is incredibly versatile, capable of using any fuel type you prefer, whether it's coal, wood chips, pellets, or even grilling directly on the ground. Say goodbye to hassles and hello to hassle-free outdoor cooking with Barbameni. Meet the Stoke Gas Pizza Oven, your ticket to delicious margarita pizza right in your camping area. This compact carbon steel gas oven packs a serious punch, reaching up to a scorching 900 degrees Fahrenheit in just 15 minutes, allowing you to whip up a mouth-watering pizza in a mere 2 minutes. With its convenient 13-inch size and stabilizing legs, setting up the Stoke Gas Pizza Oven is a breeze wherever you go. Just remember to pack your favorite pizza ingredients because with this oven, you're about to become the ultimate pizza chef on your camping trip. Will spark up even in the fiercest winds or the wettest downpours, burning strong for a solid 15 seconds each. And if they take an accidental dip, no worries. Just dry them off and strike that replaceable striker to get them going again. The tough floating case keeps everything safe and dry, and those molded grips give you a firm hold even when things get slippery. Whether you're cooking dinner, staying warm, or signaling for help, this kit's got your back, no matter what Mother Nature throws at you.